On the 8th of February 1983, an intense heatwave gripped Melbourne, with temperatures climbing to around 43 degrees. Months of severe drought had left farmland across Western Victoria and South Australia dry, exposed, and vulnerable to wind erosion. Decades of land clearing meant there was little vegetation to hold the loose topsoil in place. As a cool change approached that afternoon, powerful prefrontal northwesterly winds began sweeping across the parched countryside. Those winds lifted millions of tons of red earth into the air, forming a vast, advancing wall of dust. By mid-afternoon, the towering cloud reached Melbourne, turning the sky a dark, eerie orange. Visibility dropped to just a few hundred meters as streets, buildings, and landmarks vanished in the haze. An estimated 50,000 tons of topsoil blanketed the city and forced its way into homes, offices, and public transport, bringing the city almost to a standstill. Hospitals were inundated with people suffering asthma attacks and breathing difficulties. The dust storm was a direct precursor to the devastating Ash Wednesday fires that occurred just 8 days later, and remains as one of Melbourne's most unusual weather events.